You are going to love the 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.